skid, they said that their window, when they lifted it, totally came out of the frame. Ooh, looks like we had some action here. That's broke, I need to replace that. And that's broken too. As you can see, the spring rod here shot up. That's supposed to be in the window here, not up. Whoever put these windows in, this is common out here where I work, whoever put them in just refused to be a winner that day. And they're doing this all over the property. Alright, to get the window out, you just do that over and then pull it out. I'm going to need two hands, so I won't be able to film it. Just pull that out, and now the window should come on out once I lift. There we go, that wasn't too bad. And to take these off, they just unscrew. Real simple. These people got dogs, so there's dog hair everywhere. I just got back from a cruise, Skid Nasty. That's why you hadn't heard from me in a little while. Went on vacation. Went to Cozumel, Mexico on a cruise with Royal Caribbean. I brought my two little kids, so I wouldn't say it was relaxing, but it was nice to get away. They just like to go and do everything, you know, kids. Go down the water slide 10,000 times, things like that, but it was fun. I got me some real deal Cuban cigars. They tried to sell me some fake ones in the port. They tried to sell me 3 Monte Cristos for $250. I said, no. So I found a real deal humidor, a place called Havana Bob's Cuban Cigars. And they are good. I don't know if any of you guys smoke cigars, but if you're ever in Cozumel, Mexico, stop by Havana Bob's. Get you some real deal Cubans, not them old fakies that they sell in the port. And last week I was on call. Had a chlorinator bust. I'll post that video at the end of this one. I got it on film, but it's so short I didn't want to post it. Alright, that one's good. Now we'll do the same to this side. I won't film it, but you get the point. Alright, this little horseshoe doohickey here, I'm not sure what it's called. I'll call it a cleat. So we'll call it a cleat today. This little horseshoe looking cleat, it's kind of bent, so I'm going to bend it back. But that little cleat there goes into that. I'll show you how to pull that down here in a minute. After I straighten this out with my needle nose. Alright, I straightened out that cleat the best I could. Now what I do is I bring this cleat out just a skeeter leg, Skid Nasty. If you go too far, the window is going to be hard to open and close. So I loosen this screw here and just barely tap it out, just a skeeter leg. You don't want to go too far. And then I kind of bring the screw in at an angle to tighten it back down. That's what I've been doing on the thousands of other windows I've done out here, and it's worked. Hadn't had any problems since, and I mean years. So that's what I do. Just tap it out a skeeter leg, bring that screw in at a little bit of an angle to tighten it back down. Because what I see is happening, it's like this is too short. Whoever installed it, this is a little too short, so it's slipping. And that spring is going up, and then the window comes out of the frame. So just loosen that screw, tap this out a skeeter leg, tighten it back down, put the window back in, you should be good to go. Alright dudes, I tapped it out just a skeeter leg. I needed both hands because I have nothing to hold the window up. And when I tap it out and screw the screw back in, I put my flathead in the back here just to keep it from backing back up on me and going back to where it was. I just brace it with my flathead just to keep it from backing up, and then tighten the screw at a little bit of an angle. I mean, I move it so little you can barely see it with your butt naked eye. I'm going to put the window back in. Alright, this is the tricky part. Put the old flathead in here. Bring it down. Try to do this with one hand. Bring it down to about right there. Then to put on the brakes, you turn it. Turn it so it looks like a horseshoe, and that puts on the brakes. It's moving a little bit because I don't have it all the way. Boom, that's it. That's how you make it stop. Now do the other side. you don't want to be even with the other side. You want it a little raised because you got to come in at an angle. This part takes some patience and finesse. And if it's the first time doing it, you're going to be saying a lot of taboo words, so make sure no kids are around. But you'll get it. Patience, young Padawan, patience. I brought them down. This one is a little lower than this one because I got to bring that window in kind of like this to get it in. Boom! Sometimes it takes me a couple tries, but this one only got it on the first one. Oh, nope. Gonna have to readjust. I'm gonna have to bring this one down just a skeeter leg more. Alright, let's see if that works. Come on, baby. Got to get the blind strings out of the way. Yeah, baby. Come on. Boom. All right, I think we got it. As you can see, the track didn't slide up. Once I put the window in, we got our latches in. Make sure those are in or the window will come back out. Give it a little try. Nice and smooth. So that's how you do it, fellas. It's not too bad. Once you do about 1,000 of them like I had, you'll get good practice and get better and better. All right, now I'll show you the old chlorinator that busted while I was on call. It's Saturday, I'm out here on call. It's 5 o'clock. Got a call about water spewing from the pool area. Let me look. Oh wow, okay. This is interesting. Looks like the old locking ring cracked. Well, but all I can do is turn the breaker off. Whoa, gnarly, son. Wonder how that happened, man. I mean, I can't get one of these at 5 o'clock on a Saturday, so I'm just gonna have to leave it off for the weekend. Wow, I wonder if the cold got it or something. All right, well that was an easy on-call. Just wanted to shoot a little on-call adventure. All right, thank y'all for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show. That's just the way it's got to be. Well, the concrete circle.